The following video is a screen capture of support structures being placed on a 3D hubs order. The PreForm software will produce a form build file used to send instructions to the Form 2 3D printer. The following parameters will be used to print the 3D model. Total volume with supports equals 64.67 milliliters. Layers equals 1708. Print time approximately 7 hours. Gray material at 1/10 millimeter resolution. For printing on the Form 2 3D printer, please email us at design.create.3d@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.